Hello everyone, this is Leah, sales manager of a professional manufacturer of engine and engine parts for over 20 years. Let's focus on G4FC now.
This is engine G4LC for Hyundai, top sales of the engines for Hyundai. And the engines has the advantage below. First, perfect appearance, 100% brand new good looking, attributing to selling. Second, top A brand new engine parts. We use brand new top A quality parts like 101 aluminum cylinder heads, 40 CR steel crankshafts to build engines with long service life. Third, 100% test. We conduct 100% hot braking test and the raw material inspection to greatly make sure good use of the engines with cars running. Fourth, dedicated package. We use dedicated waterproof steady wooden box meeting European and American export standards to get the engines well protected. Fifth, 1-year warranty.
So, don't hesitate to contact us. Our sales team would love to assist you any inquiries. Bye-bye!